If you're a dreamer, you need to know this. Aeronautical engineering is your ticket to the skies. Let's explore how. Ever wondered how these engineering marvels take flight? Welcome to the world of aeronautical engineering, where science meets the skies. From designing aerodynamically efficient wings to crafting powerful jet engines, aeronautical engineers push the limits of innovation. They turn dreams into reality, one aircraft at a time. But it's not just about planes. Drones, rockets, and even space exploration fall under this exciting domain. Aeronautical engineers are the trailblazers of the sky and beyond. Imagine working in cutting-edge technology, engaging in groundbreaking research, and embarking on adventures that redefine the possible. Are you ready to explore careers that make a difference? Fly high with aeronautical engineering. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Dream big, fly higher. Start your journey today. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into engineering and technology.